The lens number 2 shows the failure of centralization of power. The Constitution speaks about devolution, but the government took devolution to be parceling out a little bit of marshmallow funds to local authorities. That will never work. It is not unsustainable, and it will never solve service delivery problems in local authorities. What the government needs to do, if it's sincere about devolution of power, it should devolve power for urban planning and resource generation to the local authorities. Bulawayo City Council should be allowed to register vehicles and levy them that are in their jurisdiction, like the quarterly Zinara payment by vehicles. It should go to the local authorities. Then local authorities will pay something to Zinara. That power should be devolved. It's simple and straightforward. Right. Local authorities do budgets, they have to submit them to national government for approval. That doesn't work. So it's also a symptom of failed decentralization of power and the unsustainable or the unworking formula of marshmallow devolution that the government has chosen to do. Thirdly, it's a sign of poor workmanship in our country. You go right now, there are roads that were being paved. For instance, I'll give you the road Esenjuve, that one that leaves, I forgot the name of the road, but it leaves Luveve Road, passing Paya Njube Police, Njube Ewolo, Njube Library, going to Lopengulave. That road was paved recent in 2021. But already where the patching is, it's already potholed. So that shows you that we are awarding to tenders to people that don't have the competence or the focused idea of what really needs to be done. They think patching roads or resurfacing roads is like putting Gambe Brooklyn. It doesn't do like that. Even Ufagi Skamba needs a skill. You can't put this Skamba brown, for instance. So that's also the third reason why we have poor road network in the country. So what needs to be done is simple. Government should devolve real power to local authorities. The power to generate income, the power to generate the resources, the power to be able to be innovative and gather their own funds, not be giving them marshmallow funds and called devolution of power. And number 2, when the local authorities have gotten power, they need to be serious about the people that they are giving tenders. They should stop giving tenders to Abafana Begumusha and start giving tenders to people with the competence to do the work. That's the second thing. The third, of course, is the issue of fixing the economy. This economy is unsustainable. Yes, if you look at global economic indicators, our economy seems to be performing. But the truth is that on the ground, nothing is happening. The money that we are having is a useless money. So let's adopt a stable currency and do things right economic-wise, and then you will see service delivery improving. Thank you.